Hello, welcome to Easyway. I am Aftab. This is the first tutorial of web design using HTML and CSS. So here I introduce you about HTML and CSS. So here we go. At first you need some tools. First of all, a web browser. A web browser is a program where you can run your HTML programs. Software. I am using Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a very popular software. This is my Google Chrome. Most of the people using this browser. Okay. And second one is editor. Editor is a tools or software where you can edit your code. I am using Notepad++. This is my Notepad++. This is a very lightweight editor with so many functionality, and it is available on the internet fully free. You can download it from the internet, and it is near about 3 MB on size, so anybody can download it. Okay, so HTML stands for hypertext markup language. HTML uses a special kind of thing which defines its property. This thing is called tag. Tag is nothing but a word with a less than and greater than sign. Like you can see here a less than sign and a greater than sign, and inside this a word. This whole thing is called a tag. This is an example. This is not really a tag, but this is an example. This type of things are called tag. Okay, we can define tag into two categories. One is standalone or single tag, and second one is paired tag. Now let me tell you, a tag which ends with something like this type of tag called paired tag, and a tag which we don't need to close with its pair, this type of tag called single tag or standalone tag. So paired tag is a tag which we need to close, and standalone tag we don't need to close. Example of paired tag is HTML. HTML itself a tag, and it is a paired tag. This is HTML. You can see that here we open it and here we close it. And a standalone tag, example of a standalone tag is something like img. Img is a tag where we can put some image in our HTML program. So this thing is called a standalone tag. We don't need to close it. Okay, every tag has some attribute, and attributes have values. I'll discuss this one by one. Okay, so don't need to worry about it now. Now CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. All the design type things we deals with CSS. As you guys know that my channel name is Easyway, so I will teach you the easy way to implement these things and making a cool looking website using HTML and CSS. We can use CSS by 3 ways. Number one, by external linking, using link tag called external CSS. Okay, so there is a tag called link. We can use this tag for linking our style sheets into our HTML program, and this type of linking or including a CSS into the HTML program is called the external CSS. By second one is there is a 3 way I told you. So second one is by using a style tag. Style is a tag which we can use for including CSS in our HTML files. So this is a paired tag. So inside this inside this style tag, we can define our styles for this HTML program. Okay, and the third one is a style using style attribute. Style attribute, all the tags have its attribute, I told you. So style also is an attribute which we can use to include or define some style properties. So this type of thing is called inline CSS. I will teach you all the three types of for your knowledge. Okay, but we use external CSS. We will use external CSS. This is the best way, and according to me, the right way. So this is all for today. I'm not going to make tutorial too long, else you guys may getting bored. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.